We're going to start with a gentle yoga flow. This is a short yoga sequence. And we're going to begin by starting with our intention. And you could begin to move your chin towards your chest. And move the neck back and from side to side. Relax the shoulders. And bring the ear to the shoulder. Try not to raise the shoulders. And take a deep inhale. And exhale. And we're going to move to the right side and stretch the right arm over the right ear. And move to the left side. And extend the left arm over the left ear. Reaching. Getting a good side stretch. Just loosening the body. And roll the spine. Open the arms. Sway from side to side. And we're going to come into Malasana. Squat down and lean back into the heels. Bring the hands into prayer position and open the hips. And we're going to come to a tabletop position and begin our cat-cows. So we're going to inhale and lift the chest, arch the spine, and then exhale, roll the spine, push up into your upper back. And inhale, push back through, opening the chest, and exhale, come into that cat. Think of a Halloween cat. It's how I remember the cat. And then we're going to inhale, come back into your cow, and lift the chest and lift the head. And you can take a minute here and then push back into your child's pose and bring the forehead to the mat. Relax the shoulders and ground the hips down into the mat. And take a moment here to find your breath and bring the awareness to your body. And we're going to come to our standing position and just let the body hang here. Let the neck feel heavy and the head drop, taking that pressure off of your neck. We're going to inhale and roll the spine up, coming to our standing position. And we're going to inhale and raise the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. And lower down. Inhale into your upward dog. And exhale, step back into your down dog. We're going to bring your right foot forward, line the heels up, and extend the arms. Reach over the right hip and reach for the right shin with your right hand. And extend the left arm up, opening that side angle. And then bring the other hand to the mat. Rotate sides. And look up to the fingertips, opening the chest. And Inhale, come back up to your center, rotate the feet to the left, and extend over the left hip with your left hand. Reach for the shin and extend the right arm up towards the sky. Look up towards your fingertips and rotate the hands and look up towards the other side, opening the chest again. We're going to inhale and come back to your center and rotate the feet. Take a wider stance and extend forward, bringing the right hand to the outside of the right foot. Gaze up towards the fingertips and extend back and bring that right hand up towards the sky and rotate the hands and extend that right arm up towards the sky. Inhale, come back to your center and rotate to the left and extend the right arm forward, bending that left knee and bringing the left hand to the outside of the foot. Inhale and bring that left hand up towards the sky. Look up towards the fingertips. And rotate the hands, bringing the right hand to the mat and extending the left arm. We're going to step back and lower down to our plank position and inhale, come into and come back and come into your child's pose. Extend the arms and open the shoulders. We're going to come back into our down dog and step the right foot forward. We're going to come into our warrior one on the right side. And we have a nice little guest to join us. We're going to raise the arms up and look up towards your fingertips. Extend the arms forward, coming into warrior three. And then opening up towards the wall. Coming into warrior two. Extend the arms and gaze towards your middle finger. And rotate to the left and come into warrior one on your left side. And extend forward. Extend the arms and raise the leg. And then come back into your warrior two. And open up towards the side and look towards the middle finger. And inhale, come into your upward dog. And we're going to bring the feet forward. And come to our seated position. And we're going to come into our boat pose. Extend the legs forward and extend the arms. And exhale, lower down. And we're just going to open the hips to the side. And come forward, extend. And bring the head to the mat if you can. We're going to bring one leg over the other. So coming into a shoestring. And just extend the spine. trying to open the spine. We're going to rotate to the other side. So we're going to come and reach over and look behind, twisting the spine. And we're going to extend the feet forward, coming into Paschimottanasana, reaching for the outsides of the feet and extending the spine forward. Getting a nice good stretch here. And we're going to lie down from here and reach with the right hand, reach for the right big toe. Again, this is just about opening the body and moving the body slowly. So I'm going to keep the knee bent here and bend the knee, opening to the side. I'm pretty tight this morning. So if you're feeling tight or sore, keep the knee bent. And continue to do the same thing on the left side. Reach for the left big toe and extend the leg up towards the sky. Bend the knee and open to the left. And bring the foot back to the center and lower down. Big stretch here and bring the knees in to the chest and roll from side to side. And he's very concerned what I'm doing, making sure everything's safe. And we're gonna end our session with a little dog hug. He needs a little cuddle. And that's the best way to end a yoga session is with a little dog hug. And I always like to end with a headstand. If this isn't in your practice, just take child's pose. And we're going to end with our closing postures. So take lotus or half lotus or cross the legs and extend forward, bringing the head to the mat. Bring the elbows behind the back and reach for the elbows or reach for the wrist. And we're going to inhale, coming up, and bring the hands to the knees and take the mudra. Gaze forward and tuck the chin. Take an inhale and an exhale. And from here, take Savasana. I'm going to grab a blanket and make myself cozy. Lie down and open the arms to the side. Extend the legs. And give yourself a moment of peace and stillness. Bring your awareness back to your breath and let your nervous system reset. I like to set my intention for the day here. And I hope your day is filled with joy and peacefulness. Until next time.